Hello, everybody. Guess what? I knew about this. I mentioned this a couple weeks ago in my Walgreens video, but Walgreens is having myW days again. So, my Walgreens days again. Not as hot as last time, but it's a great time to save some money, earn some money. I know a lot of you guys like to save your money and use it for Christmas, but basically, they're having it for the end of next week. So, October 4th through the 7th, and I got some digital coupons that I can clip that I'm going to share with you guys. So I ended up getting 5 digital coupons. One of them is an employee coupon, which I'll still share with you guys on that. So let's see the sneak peeks that we have. So the first one is earn 15% back with all your purchases. So this was the same deal as last time. You get 15% Walgreens cash with every purchase. Now, I'm not sure. Most of the time, you'll get these points if you do not pay with Walgreens cash. So basically, this is a week where you just want to pay normal. Do not use any of your Walgreens cash. Just save it, and you'll get 15% back with every purchase. Now, this one is a 1 day only. It says Wednesday. So it says right here you get 15% Walgreens cash on Walgreens branded items. That also includes the 5% everyday earn. So it looks like you could get up to 20%. Now that includes the Walgreens brand, the Nice brand, the Complete Home brand. Soap and Glory used to be their brand. I'm not sure if it is anymore. And even some of the Halloween decorations or Christmas decorations, some of the toys are all considered Walgreens brand. So you guys want to check the back of those items, but you can get an additional 15% back with Walgreens cash plus the everyday 15% Walgreens cash, which is an awesome deal. The next deal we have is a earn $20 with a $40 purchase, and this is going to be for Saturday only. So October 7th, it is if you spend $45, you get $20 back in Walgreens cash, plus you guys will also get that additional 15% Walgreens cash deal also. So this is a great deal. I'm going to try to come up with some scenarios that can make it a moneymaker, but this is for Saturday, October 7th only. This one is a Thursday only deal, so you'll earn $10 Walgreens cash with a $30 pickup. So basically, you're going to just buy some stuff online and you just do an online order pickup. And this will be for Thursday only. Again, I will try to share with you guys some deals scenarios that you guys can do so we can make it hopefully be a moneymaker or it absolutely free. But you get $10 Walgreens cash plus again that additional 15% for all your purchases on that. So this is a great deal with that. And then last time I didn't realize this, but this is a employee exclusive. So if you are a company, if you work through Walgreens like my husband does, so I will just have it where if I will spend $5 in Walgreens money and then I'll get $5 back. So basically it's just an easy freebie. It is a one-time deal thing, but if you guys are an employee, make sure you clip this coupon also. So yeah, so it's only a couple days this year instead of all week long, but I have a feeling they'll probably add some deals. In the past, they added some deals and surprised us, which was awesome. But hopefully they can add something because they didn't show anything for Friday. So there might be something that pops up for that. And I will definitely keep you guys informed. But this is a great week to start saving your Walgreens cash. I know a lot of you guys want to save it for Christmas, but it's coming. My Walgreens Days is back again and it's going to be awesome. Let's hope. Also, make sure you guys follow me on my YouTube channel if you are watching this on my other platforms because YouTube is my main to-go source. I always show Walgreens stuff there and I can show longer videos. So, deals by DesignerJen, and thanks for watching.